Realme launched its new P series phone in India called Realme P4s with 5G support. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme P4s 5G features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 6500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra chipset paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 14 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Realme P4s 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 8,000 mAh battery with 80 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Realme UI 7 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to maintain phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.6 by 77.6 by 8.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams. So, now, let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme P4s 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 34,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 37,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 41,999 Indian rupees. This smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from September 3rd in electric cyan and titanium gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme P4s 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.